This is Nikhil. In this particular video, we'll see that how can we convert the text to speech using the Python. Let's just see how we can do that. Let me show you that how is it working. Let's just say if I write hi everyone. Okay, hi everyone.
Hi everyone.
Okay, it's working. Now let me just say hi, how are you?
How are you?
I did the mistake. I should be writing hi now. Okay, now it's working. Let's just see how we can make this Python program. For that thing, let me just remove all the thing and explain you from the scratch. Okay, now for that thing we have to import OS in Python. We have to import OS. Now we'll just see that, well, if the particular thing is true, we're just going to make an infinite loop. Just if it is true, then for that till then it will be working. The while loop will be working. For that thing, we'll just write while it's true. While it's true. Now we'll take an input from the user. For that thing, we'll just make the x is equal to we'll store in the x that x is equal to input. Now just make a print statement here that what you want me to speak here. What you want me to speak. Okay, now let's just say this in x, whatever you have written, it's actually stored. Now for that thing, we'll use the command say. In Mac, if you are in a Mac, then you can use that. For the Windows, you can search that thing on the Google, then you can do that thing as well. If you're in a Mac, then you write down things. Let's say for that thing, just will write a command over here, make another variable. Command is equal to using the f function, and then f say function in a Mac, and now will keep that thing in x. That the thing is kept in x. Now whatever you have written, now it's actually stored in x. Now we just made another variable, a command, and we have did that command f string and the save it's the x is, we have used that x, whatever you have written is stored in x. Now that save function would give you the command in the OS in the Python that would convert that text to speech function. For that thing, we are os.system, and then that particular command, whatever it is, has been stored, will make it to speak. Now just the program is completed. Okay, what I did. Hi everyone.
Hi everyone.
Now it's just completed. See you in the next video.